In all types of operating, there are many opportunities for two operators to work together as a team to advance or complete a call. Let's watch a few examples of how this is done in toll dialing. Miss Kelly is going to ask for assistance from one of her teammates. While working on one call, she receives a disconnect signal on another on which time and charge are to be quoted. Since the operator on her left is not busy at the moment, Miss Kelly excuses herself to the customer.
One moment, please. Rita, would you quote the charges on this for me, please?
Surely.
As Miss Kelly releases her recording completing trunk, Rita takes up a switching trunk and key pulses the customer's number. Let's watch Miss Boyle as she takes advantage of an opportunity to team. She is recording a call. Before it can be advanced, she will receive a flashing signal on another connection.
Thank you. One moment, please. Long distance.
I can cut off, operator.
I'm sorry. I'll try to get Lamar 27044 for you. One moment, please. I have a cutoff. Will you take this other call?
Surely.
The teammate takes up the recording trunk by substituting chords, and each operator advances her call. Let's look at another example of teamwork. Miss Kelly is waiting for the called party to come to the telephone on one call when she notices that it is time to make a subsequent attempt on another.
Dot, will you try this call for me?
Surely.
The teammate advances the call. Then, because she is unable to reach a multiple appearance of the switching trunk, she releases it and secures the calling line on her own position. Let's look at still another example of teamwork. Miss Boyle has just finished recording a call when a disconnect signal appears on a connection from a coin telephone which has gone into overtime.
One moment, please.
She stamps the ticket and collects the initial deposit.
I have overtime to collect. Will you take this other call for me? It's on Charlestown 1-4.
Surely. Okay.
Her teammate advances the call while Miss Boyle secures the overtime deposit. This has demonstrated a few situations where skillful operators team to furnish their customers speedy service and at the same time use the circuits efficiently.